Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chrysler 200S all-wheel drive, stock number E1109P. 33,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite crystal metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 200S has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 9-speed automatic transmission is put into sport mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.